Papa, go out of tower.
Nakay ano, Dwight? Alam, hold me. Come, hold mommy's hand. Yes, it is. I love you. You enjoy it?
Baliktad yung payong yan.
I can see everything from up here.
Yes, I know. We are very high. We are on top of the mountain.
Going to a very Let me know what else.
There, later we check. We will shout to them. Ayun sila oh. Ninong Asag! There on the greenhouse. Anak, hold me please. Later, we will shout to them.
Mahawak mo lang siya.
Hawak ko lahat itong dalawa. Bawal bumitaw, girl. At hindi nagpakarga. Yun dun sa makipot na daan, kinarga ko pala. Si Halab nakahawak sa jacket ko. Wait. We will stop on the place where we can shout to them.
Ayun.
No. I think here. Stop tayo dito, Kla. We will shout to them. Ayun na. Oh, sit down tayo. Shout down to them. Ninong Asag! Say hello.
Ayun.
Ninong Asag.
Ayun.
Si Ninong Derek. Ninong Derek.
Anong Derek?
Say hello.
Hello!
Daddy, ano?
Tita Step. You say Tita Step.
Tita
Si Daddy. Daddy, oh.
Daddy!
Daddy!
Hi, Daddy!
That's daddy. Yung black one.
Hello! Hi, Daddy! Hello!
You don't
I found
Can
you,
you mom kasi
Daddy!
Daisy? Can you just
I go to the big of the two beautiful the
No, daddy.
big house!
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy!
I miss you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy!
You don't see dada? Hindi
Hi!
nakikita
Dada!
Ayun. Oh, call dada. So he will go. He will come up. Daddy.
Daddy!
Where are you?
Ninong Daddy!
Ayun si Daddy. Ayun si Daddy. Wearing the blue cap. Can you see him? Say hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy!
You go.
Daddy!
Go there now. Come on, come on.
Say hello to Daddy.
kita
Oh, sige, you tell Daddy. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye! I'll go over there!
Panakita niya yung tatay niya nag
Naiyak.
What, Daddy?
No, we'll go to daddy.
Not really a go down.
Let's go.
Go down there.
Go down.
Let's go down there.
Yes, we will go there. Go, hold my hands.
Bye-bye, Daddy!
Say hello.
Hi, Daddy! Bye-bye, Daddy!
Kiss.
Still right now! The big one is so pretty boy! I'm going to now, Ma.
Where?
With Daddy.
Yes, you can. Then we will shower, huh?
I was telling hello.
Parang reaction mo yun, girl. Daddy, say, ano? Let's hold it. This is your umbrella. Umbrella lang yung umbrella. Ang kulit nito.
I can see
That's the room. Yes, it is. Ninang nga. Yes, it is. And we will eat. Tired na! Abby, tired na! Not hold this one a bit. Do not push her. Do not stop.
Why?
Yeah. Yeah, girl, di ko malak, girl. Yeah. Yeah. Di ko malak.
Baka yung pinalagay mo yung ating susi. Hindi ba?
Matanggal ka eh. Sige. Okay na.
Ang tigas nga.
Heavy duty ang lock. Hindi 10 minutes walk, girl. 5 minutes lang. Buti naman.
Stand by this side.
Pumasok na?
Kanina pumasok na. Tapos,
Oo nga.
Kit ay sus. Okay na kanina.
Alab! Alab, don't touching that one. Tower yan. Alab, electricity please. Abi. Hala, Abi. Palo lang nila.
Abi.
Ninong Changgo.
Ano kaya? Kanina pumasok.
Grace ko nga. Baka magaling ka mag-lock.
Oo na. Ay, kanina pumasok. Tapos biglang nawala. Papasok siya tapos. Doon mo na
Ilalak lang
ilak
po.
diretso. Hindi ba pwedeng walang ganito? Hindi nga eh. Hindi siya ganun. Tulay niya atin na magaling.
Yeah.
Ayan o. Ang pala eh.
Sabi ko na si Grace eh. Hindi ay marunong mag-lock. Okay anak. Go. You can go out there anak. Come to mommy. Do not touch nga yan. Electricity nga yan. You just know you touch. Tower yan anak. Ayun. If you touch it, you will become skeleton. Wow. Ay, galing siya mo.
Oo, dito. Oo, ayun na. Oh. Dan na. Oh.
Ayun na si daddy oh. Ayun na si dada. Bakit? Tanggal na daw kasi very hot. Ay, anong siga talaga oh. Ay, anong siga na siga talaga. Okay.
Later na kay Gayan na. Bakat Dwight to. O, habol natin si Dwight.
Go.
Hi, time ka. Dwight! Then later Big flower. Oh, later dun, the big flower, okay?
Like a upside down flower. You want one also? What's the color of that one? Can you remember? What color? Good job. Good. Good memory. I like. Good. Ganun kamay mo. Ganun kamay.
Abi! Sige lang, good ka. Sige. Ayaw, dog. Your airplane. Go airplane. Can you go up there? Go. Careful, Nadia. Nabi pagod.
Pass over. Pass over.
Come, come, come.
Adin na. Oh, pagdating doon.
Daddy.
Careful.
Dito siya.
Hi, Daddy. Galing.
Naamoy niyo ba?
Galing ni Daddy.
Strong yan, strong yan.